Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Bernard Lodge and we're giving you an update on the new Carimed warehouse that is being built out here. Now this is actually the second warehouse that they're building out here, and this is phase 2 of the project. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The construction of Carimed's warehouse and distribution complex at Bernard Lodge represents one of the most significant private investments in modern logistics infrastructure. The development signals both the company's expansion and the country's broader shift towards industrial decentralization, moving major operations from congested corporate areas to emerging commercial hubs like St. Catherine. Located along Salt Pond Road in the growing Bernard Lodge development zone, the complex forms part of Carimed's long-term strategy to consolidate its consumer goods division under one roof. Previously, operations were scattered across multiple sites in Kingston and St. Andrew, leading to inefficiencies in storage, administration, and transportation. The new facility, spanning approximately 258,000 square feet, provides a streamlined logistics base capable of serving national and regional distribution networks. Overall, the Bernard Lodge complex stands as a model for industrial relocation and modernization. It supports Jamaica's growing logistics ecosystem, one that aligns with national goals to attract manufacturing, warehousing, and export-oriented investment in St. Catherine. The ongoing construction at Carimed site not only strengthens the company's operational base, but also contributes to Jamaica's broader vision of becoming a regional logistics hub. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.